post-op day 1. And it's been real. I think I felt better. I think I felt better yesterday after I woke up than I do today. Oh boy. Just a quick update to my subscribers, for my subscribers. I am post-op day 3 of my Duodenal Switch with single anastomosis. I was discharged from the hospital this afternoon. I've made it home. I'm comfortably rested in my recliner. I got up to walk maybe an hour, up to 2 hours after I got to my room on Friday. Felt really good. Had a morphine PCA pump, so plus all the anesthesia in my system, so I really wasn't feeling that much pain. Nothing to eat that day. Then on Saturday, I had to go down for a GI follow series to make sure that there were no leaks, and I passed that. And Saturday afternoon, I started sipping liquids. I had a lot of gas, even though I was walking. I was burping, but I didn't have any bowel sounds. So they took me off the pump and started giving me my oral liquid pain medication. And so I did that Saturday. Sunday was really rough as well, because I had a neighbor a couple of doors down that had the gastric sleeve, and she left on Sunday, and I was still there. So I felt a little bit discouraged, but I just began to pray and anoint myself with oil, and went to the bathroom, and I passed gas. And it was such a relief. And then passed gas again, and then I went ahead and washed up and got into bed and rested, continued to burp, continued to try to get my liquids down. Really wasn't that successful with getting the liquids down, so they still had IV fluids running to prevent the dehydration. But then I got up early this morning, and not only did I pass gas, but I also had my first bowel movement, which was really loose, no pain, all relief. And then I had another bowel movement, and so I was able to take a shower, which felt so good. And I told my nurse I'm ready to go. I felt like that my bowels have woken up, because I lived right at an hour and a half, hour 45 minutes from the hospital, from my doctor's office. So everything's woken up. I'm burping, I'm pooping. I'm even being more successful with taking my liquids down. So I got discharged today, post-op day 3. I tell you, if it wasn't for my mother, who came and stayed with me, my daughter who stayed one night, and the constant prayers of my family and friends, and my husband being by my side, I just don't know if I would have been able to stay encouraged to get better. There's something home. I wasn't on any of my home meds the whole time I was there. My blood pressure was perfect. My blood sugar was fine. They took me off of my glucophage because my A1C was still in the pre-diabetic phase. So I just have to continue to check my blood sugars. They took me off my fluid medicine. I don't have to take potassium anymore. So I'm just on my blood pressure, my other 2 blood pressure meds, my multivitamin, iron, and vitamin D. And that's it. And I feel good. And I got my B complex. They want me to wait before I start back taking a multivitamin until another month. So that's fine. But I mean, now that I'm home and in my own space, I feel good. This surgery is not for the faint at heart. I hope I don't hear anyone say that I've taken the easy road out, because nothing was easy about this. But, you know, I'm still glad that I made this decision, that I have this tool to help me be better and have long-term lasting effects. Since I really just started sipping my clear liquids like I should, I'm going to stay on clear liquids again today. And then tomorrow I'm going to go to my more cream-based low-fat soups. And I got some muscle milk smoothies and other things to help me get my protein and stuff in. And of course my protein shakes. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but I went through 4 weeks of the pre-op liver reduction diet, and I really didn't have anything, not necessarily positive to say, but you know, like they say, if you don't have anything good to say, don't say nothing at all. So I felt like it was best for me not to say anything at all during that time. I lost 26 pounds on my pre-op diet, and so when I weighed in for surgery, I weighed in at 338. My highest weight was 364. So I'm just looking for progress, positivity, and again, I'm feeling really well. I have such loving family, friends. I couldn't have asked for better support going through this transition. Thank you again for listening, and continue to keep me in your prayers. Bye.